Yo boys, we're back with another video. Today we're about to put in some headlight restoration. As you see, this headlight is let's say it's not looking too hot. As you can focus it, it's not looking too hot. So this is the before. All right, let's compare it to the other one. You see the big difference? Also, you guys like the new wheels? Low-key kind of nice. Not gonna lie, low-key kind of nice. Look at those. All right, but look. Oh, so I gotta change that. Yeah. But yeah, here we are. Here's the difference from here. You can clearly see that's super bad, but before this, you know what we're about to do, because we are DVQ engine. This is an oil change, real quick as well. So I'm gonna get that out of the way. I'm gonna leave this on. Make sure you guys put it where the supports are. And just for anyone knows, like if you're on an angle, like I am, that one is raised twice and that one's raised once, just so we can level it out basically. But let me just show you guys, for those who didn't see my other video, the oil pan is right here, right after this bar. Oil pan right here. There's the where you take it out, the nut to drain the oil, and the oil filter is right here. Still a little hot. It's all right, but we're gonna change that today. So yeah. Let's get it, boys. Also, for anyone wondering, yes, I have the wrong socket, but I couldn't find my other one. And you always want to use this tool for the oil filter, because it is really hard to get out. But a good tip though is take this out last after the oil is drained. So for anyone wondering, it is a 14 to take this off. So let's hope I don't burn myself. I just drove my car. Shoot. There we go. Alright. Let's not burn my hand. Oh my gosh, I burned my hand. Mother trucker. American. Dang, I put this on way too tight. Oh, no cap. A little bit of mayo? Yeah, a little bit.
Do you want any oil on it?
Yeah.
Oil or just a little bit?
Extra oil. Dang, my oil is dirty.
My oil is dirty too. I gotta change mine.
I'm glad I'm doing it now.
Onions?
Huh? Yes.
Onions or anything?
Yep, onions, sweet peppers, hot peppers, pickles.
Alright.
Alright guys, remember to lube up your oil filter. So, get some oil, put it around here. Also pour some in. Just with one hand. Let's see if we can do it. go. Yo guys, I don't think you guys have met Ahmad yet.
I'm on the chair.
Yo, this is his daily, all right? You're not gonna figure out what his build is. It's getting built right now. Just know, it is a coupe. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a coupe. Yeah, we better clean this bad boy. Look at this. Look at that scratch. Oh, that bothers me so much. Oh wait, that's bird poop. Oh, I just touched bird poop. Oh wow. I thought it was alright, yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, yo, this is what you get. I got this for 20 bucks at AutoZone. Just the whatever, however you pronounce that. Meguiar's. You get this, and 2 of these. Luckily we only have 1 headlight, so we're chilling. So let's get this boy. Thumbnail. Yo, like, I'm not gonna lie, but like, I definitely forgot to record this, but like, basically, I mean, you see the difference. You can actually see through it. Hey, Ahmad.
Here.
So, after scrubbing it for like 5 minutes, I basically put the this coat. Did this scrubbed it for like 5 minutes with this. Focus. Sprayed 2 layers of this, and it's actually way better. Like, you can actually see, because before it was terrible. I mean, compared to this one, it's still alright, you know? It's not as good, but it's better than before. Not like yellow, super yellow, but yeah. And then, it's got these joints polished. Oh my gosh! Damn! Alright, boys. We got it waxed, as you can see. Got the wheels. Oh shoot, almost fell. Wheels clean. Can't really tell, but look at the fitment. You feel me? Oh. Can't wait to get these redone, but yeah, super clean. The gold brakes, definitely a nice little accent. Super tough. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It's just Detail Sunday, I guess. We'll name it. We'll do a video every Sunday with that. Detail Sunday. New video every single week where we work on making sure the car is chilling. It looks super clean. The stupid shade in the sunlight just makes it like so you don't get a cool photo, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh wait, is that a Tomei? But yeah, remember guys, grind till you shine. Let's get it. Hopefully we're road to 200 subscribers. We're super close, so we need like maybe what, I think 40 more. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want to see, because I do be going to car meets, so, and I do cut up, so let me know if you want to see that. Other than that, peace out, grind till you shine.
I don't know, bro.
See, I told you!